It feels so good to be back. As you guys can clearly tell, I finally moved. This is my new apartment, my new little setup I have going on. I really hope you guys enjoy. Did you miss me, bitch? I miss you guys so much. I haven't filmed a video in literally over a month. The videos I posted were pre-recorded. Honey, it is time for me to get back on my grind. And sweetie, today I have a monkey video for you guys, and I also have a Bermuda video. So anyways, on monkey, I'm gonna be talking to random people, but on Bermuda, I will try to look for a sugar daddy, as I should, because girl, I need a rich boyfriend, period. I need money, and that's that. Anyways, let's start this, guys. Okay, girls, let's get into this. I see that they did like a little update to this application. Hopefully, it's a good update because sometimes these people be messing everything up. Girl, let me shut up. Like, I'm so annoying. Let me just do this. Bitch, I'm too fucking close. Hello? Hey, how are you? What you up to?
Not much. One smoking early. I think I'm about to roll up that interview.
Do you, boy, do you? He was kind of, he wasn't bad.
Bitch, shut up.
Pero, like, necesito algo más cute to get me real motivated. Okay, like, where the fuck are the people at? So annoyed. Hello? Hey? Can you speak? Wait, I think that's a child. How old are you?
15.
Oh. That's a fucking lie. That hand looked too small for you to be 15, mama. Hello?
Yo, Georgia, what's up, bro?
Hey, what's up, boy? What you up to?
Dude, I'm chilling. I was originally trying to take a nap. I'm so stressed from work.
That
That
sucks.
not
I mean, baby, I get it, but you're not showing face like, hello, I don't want to talk to you, sweetie.
West Bend, sweetie.
Oh my god, this shit is dead. Like, I need something good. Hello? What are y'all up to?
Hi, sir. Sorry. Have a good day.
Okay, you too. Girl, you looking a little musty, but that's on you, sweetie. Good luck with that. Let me talk to these whores. Hello? What's up, guys?
Would you say my friend?
I don't think so. I don't think so.
smack the shit out of you.
Oh, really?
Bitch, who you talking to, punk? I'm waiting. Exactly, bitch. Don't switch. Do not. Girl, I just started and these are trying it. Big mistake. Hello? Bitch, hello? Wait, at time. Oh my god. The lag. Okay, so Monkey was clearly a mess. I don't know who did that update, but they need to take it away. They need to get rid of it right now. Let's hope we can find some shit here on Bermuda because, baby. Hi.
Hello. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You're giving me very much daddy tease, like sugar daddy vibes. Okay, have a nice day. Bye. What? Girl. He's giving me very much like sugar daddy vibes. I don't know why, but hey, how are you?
Hello.
How you doing?
How old are you?
I'm 17.
You're going to jail.
17.
Yeah. And you? Yeah, I hate high school.
You're a senior.
Yeah.
Yeah. You planning to graduate or what?
Yeah, like very soon, actually. Like, next year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. What about you? How old are you?
I'm 17.
Oh, okay, cool.
I'm a
You know,
senior too. So
wait, what?
I'm a senior too.
Oh, okay, cool. Hey, be careful on this app. There's a lot of creeps, so be safe, okay? All right, bye. He was cute, but bitch, you're too young. You okay? Oh, sweetie. Smoking, that's why you look like that. You look tired and through. Another sugar daddy. You got money? You want to pay my bills? Because I need you to pay my bills. I'm looking for a rich sugar daddy that owns petroleum. You're clearly from Iraq, so I'm sure you own a few places, but I don't know. I think, bitch, never mind. He's a pervert.
Hi, how are
Oh,
you?
hey, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I'm doing pretty good. Hey, are you rich?
Yes.
Oh, you're rich? So I'm looking for a sugar daddy to pay my bills. So you want to be my sugar daddy?
No.
I'm here trying to scam everybody. Hi. Oh! What? Is that the middle finger? Or this finger? Are you showing me titties?
Oh, wow.
Hey, guys.
Let's destroy them.
Hi.
Hey. Ew. What's wrong with your friend?
What's so funny?
Is your friend okay?
Yeah.
He likes boys?
How are you?
Oh, I'm good.
Good.
Oh, what is this? Wait, what?
You look a gamer.
Am I a gamer? Maybe.
Yes. Your chair.
Yeah. And the lights.
Yes.
Hey, are you guys rich?
No.
Oh.
We are too poor.
Wait, what? You're poor?
Too poor.
Oh, sweetie, we cannot talk if you're poor. I'm looking for a rich daddy.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Are you speak Arabic?
Wait, what?
Are you speak Arabic?
No, I don't speak Arabic. You speak English?
No.
Oh,
Where
okay.
from?
I'm from United States. Okay, baby, the lag, you need to go return that Android and buy yourself an iPhone. How are you?
I'm good.
Awesome. So what are you looking for on here?
I'm looking for a nice person. It's not, this is not actually, I'm not looking for fun or for boyfriend. I'm looking for a nice person like friends.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
Bitch, shut up.
I'm looking for a sugar daddy.
Are you sugar daddy?
Yes.
You're gay?
Yeah.
So what are you gonna do about it?
I'm also a gay.
Oh, really? Are you lesbian?
No, I'm a little man.
Oh, wow, you look like a girl. I'm making a video.
What kind of video?
YouTube video.
You are a blogger.
Wait, what?
You are a blogger.
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
Okay. Hi guys, by the way, my name is Marita, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's CHRENG. It's Marita, and don't forget to click the button for the notification to update my videos.
Ooh, nice. That was good. They're gonna look you up, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, talk to you later. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoy. Now that I'm living alone, I can do much more crazy stuff, I guess you could say. Now, please remember that I will be leaving to a military training next month. And I will be literally gone 5 to 6 months. I just cannot believe I gotta go again. I'm so sick of this, but you know I gotta get to the point. Anywho, I really hope this monkey video was entertaining. I know it was a little short. I literally couldn't find nothing good on monkey. It's actually tragic. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back with another video. Relax, breathe. I'm not going just yet. Relax, I'm here. Now, be safe, take care, and